What is good, YouTube? It is your boy CBG Melly back with another video for the channel. As you see by the thumbnail and title today, I will be bringing you fall essentials from Minimal that you absolutely must have. Summer is over, a new season is upon us, so I thought I'd bring y'all a video about the best earth tones to get from Minimal, because you know Minimal got the best clothes in my opinion. So matter of fact, go shop at Minimal, man. You know, I'll give them a free promotion because they clothes is fire, man. They clothes absolutely fire, man. If you're new to the channel, my name is CBG Melly, man. Hottest YouTuber 2021 2022, you know what I'm saying? So consider subscribing, it's absolutely free and it brings a smile to my face, man. I'd absolutely appreciate it, man. As well as hit that like button, turn that like button blue. Let's get 20 likes on this video. I know we can do it, man. Also, DIY crop jean tutorial will be coming real soon, man, because y'all been asking me for that video for the longest while, as well as the car tour. So car tour video will be dropping. 20 likes on that other video, my last video. Get that video to 20 likes. We need 5 more likes on that video, man. Then I'll drop the car tour for y'all boys and the DIY crop jean tutorial. Also, let me take this time to say, go follow me on Instagram, man, if you have not already. My fits are absolutely fire. We are close to 500 followers on Instagram. Get me to 500 followers, man, because we be going up on the Instagram. We be going crazy with the fits. Y'all be sleeping on the fits. A lot of y'all be looking at the fits and just be like, it's okay. Like, bro, I have the toughest fits out. Like, if you see my Instagram, you know my fits are like absolutely the toughest, bro. Like, it's no debate about it. Like, we up next. So go follow me on Instagram. Giveaway will be happening at 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to be a part of that giveaway, follow me on Instagram, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on post notifications, man. And I don't know what I'm giving away yet at 1,000 subscribers, but just know it's gonna be fire, because you know we got the best fashion taste, we got the best drip, we got the best everything, you know what I'm saying, best humor, best everything. So we just going up. So basically, when it comes to fall earth tones, or when it comes to just fall, the season fall in general, you know, people's Instagram pictures, they're gonna start to change up. They're gonna start to, you know, switch their whole aesthetic. You know, most people was wearing cargos and, you know, shorts and all these other stuff while it's summertime, and that's cool. Absolutely love that aesthetic. But fall is the best season for fashion, and here's why. Fall is the best season for fashion because you get to see who can really dress and who really can't. You know, you get to bring out your flannels, your cargos, your beanies, you know, your crew necks, all these fashion related stuff, these balaclavas, your turbans, anything you want to bring out. Fall is the perfect way to express yourself, especially if you are really into fashion. So today I got some fire denim from Minimal, cargos and jeans that you should cop for the low price of just $60. Now, for most of y'all that be thinking, you know, $60 is a lot for jeans. This is Minimal that we're talking about. Minimal basically brings designer fashion and revamps it into like affordable fashion. So that's why it's $60. So $60 really isn't that bad when you look at it from that perspective. First, starting off, we got this beautiful orange denim from Minimal, where you see on the side you got distressing on the sides and in the knees, down to the thighs, down the leg, throughout the pants. And orange is such a beautiful color for fall because, you know, fall is the season of, you know, when the leaves turn, they change colors, they turn orange, some of them are brown, they fall off the trees. As you see with the distressing in the knees, as well as throughout the rest of the pants, you got some on the side. It looks like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me as if, you know, somebody just clawed their way through the pants. But I believe they're called M60 pants from Minimal. Absolutely fire, absolutely affordable, man. And yeah, so by the way, all these clothes, all these fits, all these pieces will be down in the description, man. So I don't want anybody, you know, attacking me for not linking the stuff into the description, because last time I did a clothing haul video, y'all went absolutely crazy because y'all couldn't find the pieces, and I'm sorry, that's my bad. But now that I have grown as a YouTuber, as a content creator, I will be linking everything down into the description below, so you guys don't have to press on my neck anymore for that. So I got y'all. This video is for you guys because I absolutely love you guys. You guys have absolutely been crazy for the last couple of months, man. So this video is in honor of y'all boys. So this next piece is this brown nylon western snap pants, and this pants is the epitome of fall fashion because it mixes cargos and earth tone together so well. As you can see, you got the velcro down at the bottom, you got this snap, you know, you got the buttons all down the side, you got these straps, the long straps that hang in the front that go around the pants. You got absolutely everything that comes with this pants. It says 10 out of 10 fall fashion. So that's really what we need, 10 out of 10 fall fashion, man. And it's called Western Snap Pants from Minimal. So I got it in a size 29. Personally, I recommend going a size down because I'm very skinny and it does fit the waist a little bit weird. So personally, I feel like you should go a size down. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get straight into the next piece, man. All right, coming in at number 3, we got probably second favorite. I'm not gonna say favorite because those other pants were tough, but coming in, we got these joints right here, these olive cargos. Now these olive cargos is perfect for fall time because olive is like a foresty color, you know, it's like the epitome of fashion as well. So you see we got all these buttons around the waist, we got the zipper as usual, and then at the bottom of the pants you can see that these got these little laces right here, and they're kind of frayed at the bottom right here. So I just feel like that's such a really nice touch on the pants. And I'm not exactly sure what these are called, but I know that they're size 28 because these are a little bit baggy fit, but it's perfect for fall time. So get your autumn essentials, man, and these are absolute staples of fall time because it's just the perfect color. You know, you can really wear, there's a lot of colors you can wear with this. You can wear white, you can wear black, you can wear orange, you can wear a lot of colors that you would never even think of wearing with olive, bro. Brown, like you can wear a lot of really cool colors and color combinations. Just it really tests, you know, who can dress and who can't dress. So that's why I love autumn. Now for the final piece, man, this might be the toughest of them all, man. We got this white, off-white, tannish type Western snap pants. It looks exactly the same like the first snap pants that we saw earlier in the video, but these have just a little different touch to them. At the bottom, there's actually no Velcro at the bottom. That's pretty much the only difference with these. There's no Velcro at the bottom, and it's just buttons instead of Velcro. But it fits the exact same. I actually got a size 28 in these because I learned my lesson from the first pants. But these absolutely go hard. You really can't go wrong with these pants. Western snap pants, they're about $60, $64. They come in about many different sizes, and for these I actually might dye them a different color. I don't know, let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Should I dye them a different color, and if so, what color should I dye these pants? Because honestly, these are like probably the best pants I have in my collection right now. Who knows, man. But y'all just gotta stay tuned for the fits on Instagram. Make sure y'all go follow me, get me to 500. If you watch this video right now, you're not following me, why are you not following me? Because, you know, like, bro, don't be a hater, bro. Come on now. Alright, man, so that's basically it for this video, man. I hope you guys did absolutely enjoy this video, man. It's been a while since I did a fashion related video. I know I've been doing a lot of vlogs recently. I've been doing a lot of challenges and stuff like that, but I will still be sporadically posting vlogs for those of y'all that did want to see the vlogs. Or maybe I'll make a second channel. I don't know, y'all let me know down in the comment section. But I posted a poll on my Instagram and fashion won out. So I will be going back to posting fashion videos consistently on this channel, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Turn this like button absolutely blue, man. Get this video to 20 likes and I'll drop those 2 videos for you, the car tour and the DIY crap jeans. As well, I might throw in a little sneak peek of my sneaker collection for you boys. But I don't really think y'all ready for that heat yet, so I might keep that on hold for right now. And as always, man, stay up and I'm out. CBG Melly out, man. Love y'all. Gang.